Hey, I'm going to show you real quickly how to build a display box so I can put my products on TikTok and on Amazon, showing how it works and just making it overall more interesting and fun to watch. It's going to be really super simple. You could use any old box or thing that you want to reuse. This one's black. I don't know how that's going to work. I guess it would be better if it was covered with white, but I'm just going to keep it really simple. I got some polyester stuffing that's usually used for stuffed animals and stuff like that. And I'm going to put all the links of everything that I'm using in my video here for you in case that'll be helpful. I just figured I might as well just show you a how-to video while I'm actually in the process of putting it together. Okay, so this is a Lazy Susan turntable that's remotely controlled. I have a control that goes with it. I did another review for this particular product on Amazon. It also comes with a bunch of different colored toppers. The black and white ones come in both matte and glossy versions, and then the others are just kind of plain. And then I just got a set of LED lights. You know, there's so many to choose from, so you pick. This one comes with two reams like this. It's like way more than I actually need. So I'm going to just kind of put this down as a kind of a base. And I'm going to put this turntable on top. What I'm going to do is create like a cloud-like effect. But first, before I do that, I'm going to just kind of put this all over. It does have an adhesive back, so that is an option. I'm just going to keep it as simple as possible and just roughly put it in there in different places and wiggling around. It comes with this attachment here, and the QR code will link you to their app, which I've already installed. And like I said, this is an adhesive back, so if you wanted to decorate a room, you could do that or put it wherever. So I've already done the QR code and I've got the app, and it does come with a remote control as well, so you can change the different colors. But in this case, I'm just going to do it from my phone on the app and get this looking decent. Kind of wiggly. I guess I should just use the back, but I'm not going to go too crazy here. And we're just going to stuff it up. Cover up the stuff we don't want seen, right? Like that. Pretty cool. Obviously, it doesn't need to be perfect. This is the gist of it. It doesn't need to be so fancy. It's just to make the background when you're talking about something, a product with your hands from behind the camera. It just adds an extra layer of interest to the video and keeps your people engaged. So behind the scenes, I used my app on the phone, and I set it up. They had a few different presets ready to go that you could select as far as the colors. You can, of course, manually adjust them. And another cool thing that it can do is it can move to the sound of music. So I'm about to turn on some music in the background, and I'm going to turn off the overhead light here so you can see what it really looks like. So now I'm just kind of playing around with different settings of the lights. You can change the speed that it changes the gradients. So you could speed up, you could slow down, you can do any number of things. I kind of like having a spotlight there, so that way it focuses on my hand if I'm pointing to the product. And then do a little of this. Yeah, I think this will work out really well. Amazing. So that's it. That's what I'm going to be doing. Watch for my videos and then you can see what it all looks like when it comes together.